Very good afternoon. My name is Dr. Rathina Kumar, working as an assistant professor, the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. So, in this lecture series, the next we are going to see the simple strategies for developing an algorithm. Yeah. So, let us start with an. So, what are the two strategies for developing an algorithm? So, one is with the help of iteration, the another one is with the help of regression. So what is mean by iteration? So first we are going to see the definition of an iteration, then how the iteration is going to be implemented, then finally we are going to see with a simple example. So okay, first what is mean by iteration? Iteration is a sequence of statements is executed until a specified condition is true is called as an iteration. For an example, iteration is implemented using two things. One is for loop, another one is a while loop. So why we go for a looping statement? So before that for loop and while loop, what is the purpose of looping statement? If you want to execute a particular line more two times in a C languages, so we all know that print printf is an output statement. With the help of printf statement, we can simply display those two lines. Suppose if you want to display a particular line more than 20 times. So we have a two option. One option, you have to write, we have to write the printf statement in a 20 lines, else we can use some other concept that is called as a looping. So with the help of that looping, we can display, because the same line is going to be repeated, so we don't want to write it again and again. So in that situation we can go for the looping. So here we have seen the two types of looping. One is for and while loop. Here displayed the syntax and simple example for those two loops. uh, Next we are going to see the print and natural numbers. If you want to display and natural numbers, so what is the procedure, how the loop is going to be used here? The next one is the flowchart for a given problem, how to develop a flowchart. So it is going to displayed here. As I already told you that flowchart has some symbols, each symbol has its unique meaning. With the help of that we can draw it here. Now, next we are going to see the regression. So first we are going to see the definition. A function that call itself is known as regression. The second important point is regression is a process by which function call itself repeatedly until some specified condition has been satisfied. So next they are displayed the algorithm for a factorial of n number using a regression. This is a common example. So factorial is a common example how the regression is be used. The next is an flowchart. How flowchart for the given problem. Yeah. So this is a pseudocode. I already told that how pseudocode is an important for implementing a program. If you write pseudocode well, you can easily develop a program. So here, two functions are there. One is main function, another was is sub function. So function start with begin, then get n, then call factorial, which means that in a third line, call factorial, which means the function immediately go to the sub function. Then whatever the statement we are given in the sub function is executed. After that execution, then again it comes to main function, then print the result, then end. So this is a how this is a pseudocode for the factorial using a regression. So here we have seen how the algorithm has been developed using an iteration and regression. From Unit 2, in our Lecture 2 series, we are going to see everything in detail. So that's all. Uh, if you have any doubts in this, comment on the comment section. Thank you all.